Hey y'all, it's Kietha T. Let's make this honey bun cake. Keep watching.
We're going to start with 1 box of Duncan Hines classic yellow cake mixes by hand. Let's see what happens. 3/4 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil tonight. We are using 4 eggs, room temperature. 1, 2, egg number 3, and finally egg number 4, y'all. You don't want to get those eggshells in the mixture. Now let's go ahead and mix that up. I have that preheated to 325 degrees. Guys, this honey bun cake is supposed to be really delicious. Okay, to this mixture, we are going to add 8 ounces of sour cream. Guys, how convenient is that? We don't even have to measure it out. 1 8-ounce container does the job. We just want to keep mixing. I'm going to also incorporate 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Also, I have some honey, not quite a 1/4 cup, maybe a 1/2 cup. And y'all, what I do is I take bits and pieces from different recipes, and if it sounds like it's going to be a good mix, that's what I go with. Hey, y'all see that? Nice and fluffy. I gotta get a hand mixer. I can't be doing this. It's too much. Shoulder is already hurting. So I have a baking dish here. I'm not sure what size this is, but we're gonna take half of this mixture. Now I've already sprayed baking dish with the pan butter spray. We're gonna take half of the mixture and just spread it out. So we got half of the cake mix in there. Now the next, all right, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Let's take our brown sugar and put it in a bowl. Just break it down a little bit. Then we want to add our tablespoon of cinnamon. We're just going to mix this all together. By the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Share, share, share. Be sure to like. Y'all need y'all to watch the whole video when I post so I can get those watch hours. I appreciate y'all support. My husband loves honey bun cake, and I've never made it before. So now we're going to come back to our baking dish. And what we're going to do is take the cinnamon and just spread it all over the batter that we put into the baking area. Get it all in, and then we can spread it out. This is why you want to make sure your hands are clean in the kitchen. Mixture. And we're going to put the rest of it right on top. Some people swirl. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to spread it out. There we have it. We're going to put that in the oven at 325 degrees for about 40 minutes. And then we'll come back and I'll let you all see what it's looking like. Oh no, don't do that. 2 cups of powdered sugar. Put it in there. Let's give it a mix. Don't do that, people. Cinnamon. I'm gonna follow the milk, and I'm using almond milk. Yeah, I can't wait till my mom gets here so that I can get her to come in the kitchen and make the pineapple coconut cake.
Let me taste it. Let me see.
Taste what?
Frosted ice.
You getting ready to
Too
drink
much
coffee?
sugar.
It's gonna mess up your coffee taste.
Oh yeah.
In case you want to know why it's brown with cinnamon.
Oh yeah, I like it.
How do you know? You haven't tried it yet.
I like it brown. So,
Y'all hear him in my kitchen. So I'm going to glaze it with this frosting that we just made here. That's what that is.
that was my idea of making it. I thought you were gonna wait till the weekend.
Look at that. I'm thinking some of the ingredients that should have gone in here went right into my cake. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, then let the fun begin. I feel like I need to put this cake into a cooking tray in case it overflows. Now we can pour. See what I mean? Overflow. Dish a little bit too small. I really want y'all to see the inside though. Hold on. I'm gonna cut just a little piece so that you all can see. Honey bun cake. Y'all, it looks delicious. Y'all, it looks good. I'm gonna be cutting this up and freezing it. But anyway, thank you so much. Y'all be blessed. Have a great night, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.